The car is a Nissan 300ZX Turbo with 200 horsepower. It accelerates to 60 miles per hour in 7 seconds. The street bike is a 700 Honda Sabre, and it hits 60 in 4 seconds. To make it more interesting, we're giving the street car and street bike a start. The driver of the car is Jacques Couture, chief instructor of a racing school at this track, so he knows every inch of it. The street bike is being ridden by Sam McDonald, a former United States 250cc champion who's won many races here, and he's giving the car a 15-second start. Time for Freddie to put on his gloves. It's coming up to 30 seconds since the car left. Freddie has to catch the car and the bike before they cross the finish line, and the track is less than 2 miles long. The street bike is now catching the car very quickly. They're both about 2/3 of the way round the track, but the terrific grip and handling of the car means that it will hold off the bike until after the double corkscrew turn. The street bike finally powers past the car, 3 turns from the finish, but now Freddie is going through the corkscrew. Down this hill, the car will reach 90 miles an hour, but that won't stop Freddie's bike racing past it. And now there's only 1 turn left.